Beans. Yung sitaw na turo. O utong in Ilocano. Sili. Kamatis. Sitaw. Kalabasa. This is patola. Patola. That's patola. Opo. Yeah, opo at saka yung kabatiti in Ilocano, kabatiti. There. Squash. Some more squash. Fruit trees. What kind of tree is this? Pe? Dati ada bunga na? This one.
Pears.
It's a pear. Peras. In Ilocano, peras. Or Tagalog. Tanim ng ading ko. Ay no, alam tanto no. Mabisin tayo ti peras. Flowers. Flowers. Oh, this is almost done. The cutter is almost done. And the one that's cleaning up down here is almost done too. Oh my goodness. That's nice. What a difference it makes. The fig tree is cut. Now we don't have any more fig fruits to eat until next year, hopefully.